Hey guys, this is Natasha and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm working in my silhouette and Cricut, creating a layered cake topper. So right now we're in silhouette and I'm going to do a 2020 cake topper using Musca clip art. And keep in mind, you can always shop her clip art using my link below. So I'm just going to start off with 20 and I'm going to continue to add an offset, which if you're familiar with silhouette, you'll know that you can add an offset, which in return is adding another layer. So for every offset that I put on will be another layer to my cake topper. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm going to create each layer. I'm going to change the color so that it can be easier for you to see on video, but also easy for me to cut things out once I upload this file into my Cricut. I like to use Cricut because they will organize my cutting mats based on the color, which will make it really easy for me to cut everything out. So what you're seeing here, I have the number 20 and I've added yellow layer and it's like a pink and now a purple. So I'm pretty happy with this. So I'm going to move everything away so you can see that I'm dealing with 4 different layers here. And it's 2020, so all I have to do is select this and then duplicate it. So that I don't have to do it 2 times. It's easier just to duplicate and go ahead and arrange it based on the way I want it to look in its final settings. Because once it's all done, I'm going to select everything and we're going to create one offset for the backing of our cake topper. So here we have our really cute girl from Musca Clip Art, which they are available. So please check the description below for the link so you can purchase. So I'm going to go ahead and give you a really up close look here. So what I'm doing is these are all the offsets that I created in silhouette. So as I mentioned, I love to use silhouette because right now Cricut does not allow you to do an offset. And in the crafting world, for me, it's really important to have the flexibility of creating different layers from one image. So as you see, I have duplicated her, or I created a few different offsets because I really want my topper to pop and have a really great 3D feel. So as you see, the black layer is my offset for the complete backing, where you're going to glue your stick. And that's where that's going to go, because I don't like the stick to show in the back. So I always do a back layer. And you can even do 2 if you want to make sure this topper is going to be really, really sturdy. Now this topper is is about, 12 inches, but it's not going to be that big. I just made it that big for designing purposes. It's easier to design when it's up close and large. But once I upload it into Cricut, I am going to be able to resize it to about 7 inches, maybe 7 1/4 for final sizing. So when I'm using my Cricut, I always make sure I set up all my mats so that I don't have to waste time getting my mats together when I'm working on a project. So I just follow along here, get all my mats prepared.